Well, this is a story about an old man I used to work with. He was well up in his 70s and he just started to work on a farm. And it was the days when the built stacks. And come mid-yoking time, we're sitting down to the food of that stack, you see, in work pacing. This old man had put his net, he put the chalk crust on him. So we're just sitting in work pacing. Round comes this hand, flat out. In about 5 years, I had it was this cockerel. And the heat streaking out and the wings down about his feet, going like a clapper. And see, we never thought much about it. Trying to walk that piece, and of course all day he flung away the crust, you see. Round comes the hen again, and the cook just a bit of fat hunter. You see, so good that he no sport the crust. So he stops and picks up the crust, and all day says, good, he says, I hope I'm never as hungry as that.